We are experiencing extremely fast, very dangerous winds here in Hoboken, New Jersey. I'm Brad Tonoff bringing this to you straight from the 333 River apartment building. Right across the street you see the W Hotel. Take a look at some of these trees if you can. Just total wind storm out here. There is still rain. I can see it flying straight off of the concrete. We're about an hour and 10 minutes away from high tide when things are really supposed to start flooding down here, between the 6 and 8 foot storm surge. Other parts of South Jersey have experienced major rain, 10 to 12 inches. There are still some people out walking around, some cars. Not sure what they're thinking. There is a serious issue down in Atlantic City with the mayor not asking people to evacuate. Now we have a serious situation with people in shelters there that are soon to be, if not already, underwater. This is a statewide, nationwide, Northeast, going into the Midwest. This is a nationwide issue. This is almost unable to comprehend right now. I will keep bringing you live updates every so often here.